All right, everyone, today we're going to take a look at a device that you probably, if you've been following me, have no idea why I'm reviewing, but I'm telling you guys, where I live, this thing is essential. This is something that was recently sent out to me. This is a handheld chainsaw. Yes, a handheld chainsaw. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so here is the case that the chainsaw comes in. Really nice material, zippered. I do like that. Let's take a look at everything that comes in the case. Now, I'm going to admit, this is my first. This will be my first handheld chainsaw. So, yeah, let's get to it. So it comes with two batteries. These are going to be your 20-volt batteries. It comes with the charging cable, and the way this works is it just plugs right into the battery just like that, and that's how you're going to charge the batteries for your new chainsaw. Let's see what else we have in these little pockets. All right, so it comes with a number of accessories. It comes with a replacement chain. It comes with a tool for tightening the chain onto the chainsaw. It comes with a little bottle that you can fill with oil. That's going to be excellent for like oiling your chain. And of course, it comes with your starter manual. All right, guys, so here's our chainsaw. So at first glance, I have to say this feels really nice in the hand. It feels very balanced. Now I'm going to attach a battery to it just so we can see what the weight feels like. So the battery just slots in like so. And what's cool about these batteries is you can press this button right here and it's going to tell you what the current power level is of the battery. Now, when first experimenting with one of these guys, make sure you know what you're doing. You know, follow all of your safety precautions just to be safe. You do have a locking pin right here, so you can lock the trigger and unlock it just like so. You guys heard that. All right, so let's go ahead and lock that back so that we don't have any accidents here in the studio. All right, so to detach the battery, you just press down like so, and then you can unslot the battery. Okay, so this comes with a protective type of cover while you're cutting. It's just going to kind of route the wood pieces out the front so that nothing flies back in your eyes. And it also comes with an additional cover that actually covers the blade. Now, the tool that you get in your kit is going to be for tightening the chain. Whenever the chain does come loose, you can just kind of tighten that up a little bit. And just make sure when you're putting this on that you have it going in the right direction. All right, so let's go outside and cut some stuff up. All right, guys, so I have my handheld chainsaw. Let's go ahead and just pop off this cover. Now, it is currently locked, as you see here, but I do have the battery connected to it. I didn't charge the battery yet, but we're going to see what we can do with what little battery power we have. I'm going to unlock it. You can see it's ready to go. So let's just test it out on something small, like one of these little pieces of wood. No problem. Yeah, this thing is a beast, guys. So if you got some old branches you need to get rid of, they're just all over the place. Just like that. That could even be a piece of art. All right, guys, definitely check this thing out. It's ready to rock. All right, guys, as you can see, this thing did an amazing job. So, yeah, I never thought I would have any need whatsoever for my own personal handheld chainsaw. But with the pieces of wood, you know, I live down here in Texas, you know, little stumps and things like that that I may want to get rid of, this thing really comes in handy. So definitely give this thing a look, guys. I'm telling you, I am enjoying this thing. And I just can't wait till I find some other things that I can cut up with this. But don't judge me. But yeah, this thing is fun. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Please stay safe. Peace. I'm out.